This beautiful flowing waterway is Blackwater Creek. And in this video today, I'm hiking in Blackwater Creek Nature Preserve in Plant City. So join me, friends, as I take a short hike in this beautiful natural Florida treasure. Hey gang, what is going on? I'm on the move once again, and today I'm in Hillsborough County and I'm out here at Blackwater Creek Nature Preserve. This is an awesome place. It's just outside of Plant City. I'm heading to the creek, so come on with me and let's do this. Now back in the 1940s, a family bought this land and they used it for cattle ranching. They also did some logging, and they did these things up to 1997 when the land was purchased to become a preserve. Now if you like hiking and you like nature, this is a great hidden spot that not a lot of people know about. There's 6 miles of trails out here. You can have a great day, great afternoon out here. I mean, there's nobody here but me in this entire preserve. I've got it to myself, and I can't complain about that. Now, this beautiful preserve was purchased in 1997 under the Environmental Lands Acquisition and Protection Program. Try saying that a lot. They purchased a majority of the land back in 97, and they kept on purchasing things up till 2003. And I think there's about roughly 2,000 acres in this preserve. Okay, just through here will be Blackwater Creek. I'm excited to show y'all. It's absolutely magnificent, and it's gonna make you want to come out here right away on your next little adventure. And here we are. Here is Blackwater Creek. What do you guys think? Oh, the mosquitoes are starting to come out. Well friends, that's gonna wrap things up here today at Blackwater Creek Nature Preserve. Before I go, I'd just like to remind you to be excellent to each other. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Take care and happy trails. Bye-bye.